Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a day, let's find out, together. Thursday. Wow, today's Thursday already? Okay. So, we're going to the gym. We're feeling good. I'm taking my pre-workout right now. This is the one I've been taking. It's called Gorilla Mode. And it definitely makes me feel like gorillas. So I would 10/10 recommend. I'm also gonna put it in my gym water bottle because I like that sugar and spice and everything nice. So let's do that a little bit. Somebody doesn't like it. Somebody who's in the room with me. But today's a gym day. I have a new bra on. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's so cute. It's from Victoria's Secret. What? What are you doing? Why are you staring at me? He gives me the weirdest freaking looks in the history of the world, and then he pretends like he doesn't.
No, Colombian sass is straight.
Colombian what? Colombian what? Baby, can you be normal for my vlog?
For my blog. Can you be normal for my blog?
Vlog.
Blog?
Goodness, this white boy, I swear to God. Hi guys, we're back home. I'm literally so beat, like I can't do anything. I don't want to think. We did deadlifts today and they killed me. We did deadlifts today and they literally beat me up, okay? I am so incredibly tired. Whew. My man is a wonderful man because he's cooking. Look at him. Cooking away like a cutie pie because he loves me and he takes care of me with food. I get cranky sometimes. As I should, because food is a requirement for your body to survive. Those are some empanadas that my grandma made for us. Pretty exciting stuff.
Which one do you want?
Alright, I'm recording because I just got a really cool Pokemon and I want to share. So let me show you. PG-30. It's so cool. From the Astral Radiance pack. Okay, I don't have anything cool. What'd you get?
Cleaver V. I don't think we got it.
Oh, Cleaver! Nice! A Hippodome in the reverse hollow. So I'm putting Cleaver away. Guys, I normally don't have you guys in my bathroom, but as you can see, I was in the middle of filming a video for TikTok. Honestly, eventually it makes their way around to my YouTube stories, so you guys probably see my little get ready with me. It is a dark day, as you can see. I actually have the light on in that room, but that room has very poor lighting, so it looks so dark over there. I'm ready to go to the gym, so I've got my gym outfit on, and yeah, I'm gonna go finish up. My bow and orange set. of the day. Got my Amazon hoodie, Bow T bra, and Bow T leggings. They're the matching set. I got this a while ago. I don't think they have it available anymore. And my Noble sneakers, which if you guys have been following me for a while, I got them a while back when we were at the cabin. So hey guys, it's much later, same day, but we got back from the gym, we had lunch, we worked for a bit, and then literally showered, meditated, took a little bit of a rest, mini meditation nap. I didn't actually fall asleep, I meditated, but now I'm in my PJs. I've got this cute The Regular Show t-shirt. If you know, you know. It was a show on Cartoon Network. I don't know if they still make episodes, but I loved it. I always found it really funny, and I love the characters. And then I'm just wearing super comfortable PJ pants and my Mandalorian slippies because I destroyed my other ones. I don't know if I told you guys, but I put them in the wash and it did not work out. Anyways, I just filmed a little bit for my TikTok. I didn't want to do makeup, so I kind of did my own thing. And now I'm gonna go do some editing. Just wanted to catch you guys up because I'm trying to film more and I'm trying to make filming more interesting and all that. So hi guys, welcome back to Day in My Life. So today I'm actually have an appointment at the doctor's office. So I'm gonna go see my doctor. We're gonna talk about birth control and all of that jazz. I can explain it to you guys on the way, but let me show you guys a very quick outfit of the day. So it's actually chilly out today, so I'm wearing this black bomber jacket that I got a long time ago from Naked Wardrobe, and then I got, or Naked Fashion, NAKD, you guys know. This top is from For Love and Lemons. I got it for Christmas. I'm wearing my Skims bra underneath, a pair of black flared denim I also got for Christmas, and an old pair of Saint Laurent booties. And that's my outfit. I'm not gonna change my purse because I literally don't have time. It's time to go.